If you're looking to activate identity monitoring with Experian, here's how you can get started. First, visit the official Experian IdentityWorks enrollment page. This is a platform Experian uses to manage identity monitoring services. Once on the page, you'll need to enter your activation code. This code is typically provided through a notification from Experian or a partner organization. If you don't have an activation code, you may need to contact Experian directly or check any recent communications you have received from them. After entering the activation code, you'll be prompted to provide some personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This information is necessary to set up your identity monitoring account. Once you have completed the enrollment process, you'll gain access to various identity monitoring features, such as credit monitoring, identity restoration services, and identity theft insurance coverage. These tools can help you stay informed about any suspicious activity and assist you if your identity is compromised. Remember, it's important to keep your login credentials secure and monitor your account regularly for any unusual activity. So like always, if you found this video helpful, like, comment, subscribe, and drop any questions if you have them in the comment section down below.